This is a 3-element Yagi for the amateur band. The usable frequencies from 140 to 150 megahertz with a 10 megahertz bandwidth. The VSWR on the band edge is around 2:1, less than 2:1 for 140 and 150 megahertz. So let's check the antenna configuration. This antenna is an end mount antenna. We have the element holder to attach the element on the boom. We have an SO239 feed point attached to the gamma match, and this one is the driven element. The tuning stub is in between the driven element and the gamma match to match the antenna impedance. So I'm going to put the marking tapes, so you just need to put back the tuning stub in between those marking tapes for initial tuning. So this one is attached to a PL259 connector attached to my RG8 coaxial cable going to my antenna analyzer. So let's check the antenna frequency response. So as we can see here, first the center frequency 146.2 megahertz. The antenna return loss is minus 33 dB or minus 34 dB. Antenna resistance is 51.7 or 51.6. This is the frequency curve, but let's go back to the individual frequency. So the antenna impedance indicated by Z is around 52 ohms. Same with the antenna resistance. VSWR on the center frequency is 1.0. So let's check now the VSWR curve. So as we can see here, let me just focus. 146.2 is the center frequency. Our VSWR is 1.045. The dip on the curve from 140 to 150 is on 146.2 as indicated by the center frequency. So on 140 megahertz, our VSWR is around 1.8, and on 150 it's around 2:1. So let's check that using the individual frequency. So let's move this to the exact frequency. 146 is around 1.0 or 1.1. Going down to 145 is 1.2. 144 is 1.3. 143 is 1.3. 142 is 1.5. 141 is 1.6. And 140 is around 1.8. So let's go up. Going to 147 is 1.2. 148 is 1.4. 149 is 1.7. 149, 150 is 1.9 or 2:1 VSWR. So the antenna is very usable, and this one is going to Bicolandia. Thank you for watching.